Hi, I'm Tom Kirk, and I'm here to show you the correct installation techniques and a few pro tips to ensure you get the best results from your Romex products. Let's get right to it. Today we are going to install the Trass bed from Romex, the frost-resistant drainage bedding mortar. The Trass bed can be applied from depths from 3 centimeters or 1 inches deep, up to any depth. It is for pedestrian loads right up to heavy traffic loads. It can be applied on slab or on grade and can be used in combination with natural stone, porcelain or concrete paving options. The benefits of the Trass bed compound include the fact that it is highly water permeable, it is frost resistant and also de-icing salt resistant, removes efflorescence. It lessens waterlogging and discoloration of paving surfaces, and it provides easy application. Site requirements for the Trass bed compound include that the surface needs to be load-bearing and water permeable. In case of watertight outdoor areas, adequate drainage or slope or drain mat should be included in the build-up. The general tools required to install the Trass bed compound include a gravity mixer to mix, screeding tools to apply the product, a dead blow hammer, shovel, buckets and a measuring jug to ensure the right quantity of water is applied. In mixing, mix 1 part of the Trass bed compound with 4 parts of an approved 4 to 8 ml aggregate by volume. You will require approximately 9 to 10 litres of water per 1 bag mix of the Trass bed. If the aggregate filler is wet, be cautious to remove some of the water from the mix, as it is always easier to add water than subtract during the process. Add the water to the gravity mixer first, followed by some aggregate, and then the Trass bed compound. Mix for a minimum of 3 to 4 minutes in the gravity mixer. Allow a little longer if you're unsure. During the application of the Trass bed, pour the Trass bed mixture into the wheelbarrow and bring it to the area of the job site. Pour the material out and lightly screed with a shovel or rake. You can then fine-tune the screed by using level or screeding bars. On hot days, the Trass bed will remain workable for approximately 2 hours, although a light spray of water along the way will prolong that. Apply the pavers to the Trass bed whilst the Trass bed is still wet for a wet-to-wet bond with the adhesion elutriant. Before placing the pavers, apply adhesion elutriant to the back of the pavers and tap down into the Trass bed. Here are some important additional notes about the Trass bed. The application temperature range is from approximately 5 to 30 degrees Celsius. Store the material in a dry location. Use appropriate PPE and exposure control requirements, which are the same as any other cementitious material. Paving stones must be treated with Romex adhesion elutriant prior to laying. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and useful. If you have any further questions or require any other assistance, please do not hesitate to get in touch. We look forward to hearing from you soon.